Okay. Alright. That's a bit too loud for me. There you go, now it's fixed. Alright. So, wrong one. So, I got me a new layout. It's like this. I have my music player here. I have the Tmux, like a to-do here. Which took me some time to make. There's some to-dos in here, which is a reading list. Which I will need. Actually, I should put in check tune. Just move it in here. And just go ahead and kill that. Okay. Plug my laptop in. Cool. I don't need this. No, it's gonna be running in the background. Oh well. Okay. So I have my Twitch chat right here. And I can keep going on my reading list. And I looked at what I need to make a calculator. I need to make something called an abstract syntax tree. I have no idea what it is, but I need to be able to work with this for a specific use case. Lexical analysis, syntax analysis, and code generation. Okay. So lexical analysis, aka tokenization. Whoa. Okay. During this step, code that you wrote is going to be converted into a set of tokens describing the different parts of your code. This is fundamentally the same method that basic syntax highlighting is using. Tokens will understand how things fit together and purely focus on the components of a file. You can imagine it as a list or array of different types of tokens. Type, identifier, value is panda, punctuator. Okay. Man, I'm tired. You can imagine this as if you take the text and break it into words. You might be able to make a differentiation between punctuation, verbs, nouns, numbers, etc. But at this stage, you don't need have any deeper understanding of what's part of a sentence or how a sentence fits together. This is the step where we turn our list of tokens into an abstract syntax tree. It converts our tokens into a tree that represents the actual structure of the code, where previously in the tokens we only had a pair of brackets. We now have an idea of whether it's a function call, a function definition, or a grouping or something else. There we go. Okay. Doesn't help that it's small though. Type program body, yeah, expression, okay. The equivalent here would be turning a list of words into a data structure representing things such as sentences. What role a certain noun plays in a sentence or whether we are in a listing. Another example that this can be compared to is the DOM, where the previous step would just break down the HTML into tags and text. This step would generate the hierarchy represented as the DOM. One thing to note is that there is no one AST format. They might differ both depending on the language you are turning into an AST as well as the tool you're using for the parsing. In JavaScript, a common standard is ES3, but you'll see different tools might add different properties. In general, an AST is a tree structured where every node has at least a type specifying what is it's representing. Okay. There we go. In general, an AST is a tree structure where every node has at least a type specifying what it is representing. For example, a type could be a literal that represents an actual value or a call expression that represents a function call. The literal node might only contain a value, while the call expression node contains a lot of additional information that might be relevant, like what is being called. Expression. The type could be a literal that represents an actual value. Literal value, okay. Or a call expression on that represents a call expression that represents a function call. The literal node might only contain a value, while the call expression node contains a lot of information that might be relevant, like what is being called callee or what are the arguments that are being passed in. Okay, code generation. This step can be multiple steps itself. I don't need code generation though. Or we could call one just called how to build a calculator. Cool. Right. Let's dive into what's going on when you type a string. You can an arithmetic expression, then it feeds back the result. If you're familiar with Python, it provides an interactive console where you can type Python statements, including the arithmetic expressions above. That's what they now that they're legal Python code, it must be underwent the full compile phases. Here are tokenize, parse, and evaluate. They are all stages for calculating arithmetic expression. In this article, we'll complete above from scratch in C#, also .NET 7.2, and you'll learn from this article, and AST, the prep parsing method, and how to evaluate system. I don't need this. You could install C# plugins to help you code better. .NET new console Kalculator CLI. Open this folder with Visual Studio Code at the beginning. And we just complete the prototype program we want. Feel free to type any expression. So this writes a prompt. What might prompt be? Okay, that. Console read line. Compare input exit. 0. Okay. Write input environment dot new line. Okay. What kind of C# code is console.out.write? That was console.write line. When was this written? 2020. Interesting. Alright. So I need to be able to use the same thing, so let's spring new, get it working just like that. There should be no reason this fails. Okay, now I need a prompt. Okay. Calls in constants are limited to constant functions, tuple structs, and whatever. Okay. Then string it is. Okay, there we go. Oh, why is my room so hot? Self and right. There we go. Alright. Now iostd out flush unwrap. There we go. Alright, did not see that coming. Alright. 1 plus 1 times 2 can do everything it does. Yep. Cool. Interesting. So a token is based on, okay, now we have that. Take simplicity into consideration. Our calculator only supports integer number excluding float or complex number, and supports add plus, okay. Parentheses to graph extension is also supported. Token is the basic concept of compiled technology. We recreate the source codes into a sequence of tokens. The lexer will take responsibility of it. How many tokens are in our calculator? So if int plus minus multiply divide power L paren right paren EOF and illegal. Okay. So int plus, I can just copy that. There we go. So these are all our token types. Probably on another print line. I'm just gonna copy everything up there. Welcome to Kalculator. There you go. It's a nice cheesy message, right? Okay, sure. Now let's 16 and 21. I don't need to understand the C# code. So these are our token types, and there's nothing strange except for EOF. They are just talked above. They are just talked above section. Public class token is token type. Is this too obvious, like the token type? There you go. Seems to be working fine. Okay. So it includes two properties. Literal including the token literal value in the source code. The next step is to build the lexer, which just only includes one feature, next token. Every time we call next token, it returns a token instance to represent the current source code. Before we move forward, we should expect what we'll get. Here's some unit tests for a lexer implementation, just like the test drive development. Use .NET New and Unicode and unit test framework. Once the time to generate token, compare this token with expected one. Let's see. Class lexer. Public token next token. Character this dot input this dot position switch character. Alright, let's see. This is for writing tests. Lexer input, okay, you put Lexer in here. Is Lexer even used anymore? Lexer.next token, var actual token, assert.r equal tt.type token.type expected token got token type. So the next token takes in the character and puts it in this position. Let's see. So it takes in for each var tt in test var actual token, but Lexer doesn't get created differently each time then. So new token type equals token dot plus literal. It breaks out of the loop. Okay, so I guess it just takes in the character, breaks out of the loop, or breaks out of this thing. Man, I tell you how to use the switch statement. Okay, so I guess I can implement this with a single for loop. So now I need a Lexer. That's an input. The position points to the current character in the input. It has two fields, input and position. The position points to the current character in the input. So input is a string, and position would be like a usize. And then if you implement Lexer for a function called next token that returns token type, so the character, how do I want to do this? Okay, so make sure we the input the string, so I probably won't need that, but I'll save it. So then it would be self.input, that input equals self.input, and then for character in input.chars match character So if it is token type, uh, plus then it's gonna return a token token type plus, and then the literal of plus. Okay, there you go. Okay. You match character plus. Yeah, if it's plus, then we are going to return token type. Yeah, we're going to return token type plus literal plus dot to string, end it there again. Okay. Now we need for minus, so be token type token minus literal minus dot to string. Okay. I didn't get that. Cool, okay. So how can I match this? Oh, hello. Hello, I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks. How have you been? Haven't seen you in a bit. If you're missing the stream or you don't know when exactly I stream because it's kind of sporadic right now, you can go check out my Discord. It's in the about page. You just gotta click on the banner that says Discord, and it'll give you an invite link. Does it have that distinction? Ensure that all possible cases are handled. Okay, so if it's this, then do nothing. Wonder how that was done before. Keep coming back here. It's an underscore into a column. Actually it doesn't need this. Instead it needs token. Just like that. There we go. Did I mess up the brackets? Bounce between them. Bounce between them. Would you need to match on an empty space? I don't see why I would need to match on an empty space. Because in the calculator, there we go, okay. So here, there's actually no spaces between the characters, and Vim source app. Okay, and a way to prove it is with this. Yeah. So here, as you can see, there's no spaces in between anywhere, so I don't need to account for it. So it's just like this. So I have no spaces, I don't need to worry about that. Oh boy, I have no idea what I'm doing most of the time. how many are there? Divide power, lparen, right paren. I don't want to implement everything just yet. So, how did this guy do it? If the digit is the character, yes, exactly. You can only have inputs for what you have for what buttons you have. But hey, you like my new setup? Where I have my documentation here, my code on the left, and this on the right. Actually, I can do this. There we go. Now it's better. And I need to make this bigger. Cause okay, maybe not that big. I don't know. Yeah, I found out that there's a lot more to it on the calculator than I expected. Okay, the paren can go down here. The power can come down here. These two can come here. In plus minus divide, everything goes here. Do that. // I'm done. Okay. Now, if I match on, say, a divide, so this will be I need a better way to make this. Token type, divide, literal, this to string, close it. Impl token, fn new, token type, literal, string, returns, self, token, no, token type, yeah, and then literal, and I am done. Yes, thank you. It's actually not mine, I kind of stole it off another streamer. I remove that. So here, if I go token, new, token type, plus, and then plus dot to string, close it off here, put this in here, and put it like that. This would be valid, right? Yeah, okay. Ironically, if the whole thing goes yellow, it means it's working. To save a line, I'll string dot to string. That will fix it. Okay, that's perfect. Now, okay, there we go. That should do it for now. And here, remove this part. Token new, token type minus, and then minus. Put this over here. Yeah, so much better. That over there, get rid of this one. Then it will be token new, token type, divide. This will be for this, will be for this, will be for that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but how seriously though, how have you been? I haven't seen you in a while. Things have been pretty weird for me. Now, so I did plus, minus, divide, multiply. Now there's only multiply left. This will be multiply, and this will be that. So this, if it's everything else, I want to return a token new, token type, int, ch. Found string expected char. Oh, you're lurking? Alright, I see. Well, enjoy lurking. Match on this. Token type new token type. In ch.2 string. Oh, welcome Kirino. Mismatch types. Expected struct token found that. What did I even put for two string? Yeah. Maybe I can shorten this even more. If I make this into a char. Okay. Char here. There we go. No more weird stuff. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I probably didn't match well enough, but just to be sure, I'm gonna make a token new token type of plus, and then I'm gonna do that. No, that, there we go. So this returns self. Let plus equals plus. Alright. Take a look at what this is. This is a token, okay. And let's remove that. Okay, now everything seems to be working fine. So that means EOF needs to come back. Okay, then this needs to go through a test. Is digit. Okay. Okay, there's that. I didn't want to do that. Okay, so far everything's a character. So C char return boolean. Okay, so it will be some. Okay, it will be okay or it won't be. So if okay num equals C dot parse. Wait, hold on. Okay, let result equals C dot parse U size method not found in a char. Yeah, man. Oh, a char 2-digit. Oh. Char 2-digit. A radix. Okay, so c dot to digit self. Oh, I'll take in c. Okay, mattress. Option. Oh, C. Wait, really? This? Two digit given radix. Huh. Okay. So I need to convert mem size len. What functions do I have? From digit from U32 is alphabetic, is alphanumeric. Okay, maybe you can see something here. Is digit given radix is numeric. Okay, is numeric. Alright. C dot is numeric. There we go. Yeah, that seems right. That means I don't need this. Okay, so here I need a check. And put it right there. If ch dot is numeric. Okay, then we're going to return a token type of EOF. Return a token new token type EOF, and then we'll take in an N. Else that. Okay. So if it is a number, come on. Okay, there's gonna be, is illegal even, no, I only have EOF. Okay, EOF. So I should change this to an E. That's to signify error. So RE, there we go. This is what I need to do to chars. And instead of doing it through a for loop, so chars.collect. So this will return a self, which is just a token. So that means this would be a token, and I don't need this. So after I collect it, I can map everything. Hold on. So this collects it into an vector. This converts it into an iterator. This maps everything. Okay. So I need to figure out what map can do. Not this one. This one. Okay. Takes an F a closure, and this is all the elements. So this will be all the characters. I will close this one and this one here like this, and I'll do that. I'll get rid of all of this, and that means I'll get rid of this. I will yank all of this and smack it right here. I don't think I need this, do I? Okay, yeah, or I could just do that. Okay, so okay. Alright, so it will return this or this. So, oh man, it's almost 5. So it will return either a token that has a token type of plus, yeah, minus, divide, or multiply. If any of these don't match, it will return either an EOF or an int. So this needs to be ran on self, and Lexer has a string. So the string is a character, so that makes position irrelevant. And so once it matches on a thing, I probably shouldn't go too far and go off my own thing without going through this first. Okay, so it has something called position that gets added to it. So what this does is it adds a position, it returns the token, but the thing is, it's not reinstantiated, so once this goes for next token, it will be changed once, so this will be 0, this will turn to 1, it will come back here, it will move to the next character. Got it, so I don't need position then. Alright. There you go, did some nice formatting there. Okay. So far so good. Now, yeah, plus, minus, times is everything in here. Okay. So now I need to know what is the return of the whole map call? Oh, it will return one of these things. It will either return the token that has the plus variant in it with the plus character, or with the minus variant and the minus character. So let's say okay, so let's say the input, right? Let's say the input is like 1 plus 2 times 3, alright? And so what this will do is that it will map through every single character. So instead of a for loop, it becomes this is already a vector. Well, no, this implements iterator, and if it implements iterator, I can iterate through it. I can use either a for loop or I can use the map function. So if I use the map function, I can get all the characters, which is like 1 space plus space 2 space, right? I need to take a look at what is. Alright, I said there were no spaces, so I need to remove that. Okay. You know, I'll keep the spaces in just so it looks nice. Alright. So once it hits a plus, okay, if it goes 1, it's 1 obviously isn't any of these symbols, so it'll go through this one, and it will check if it's numeric or not. So if it can be converted to a number, this block won't hit, and it will instead return a variant of integer, and it will give a return back this character. And if it's not a number, for example like this plus, it will return an EOF, but since plus is in here, it will return the token that has the variant plus, that has the token type, that has the variant of token type plus and plus. Does that even make sense? But did I even understand your question? Well, I can just show you that. basically returns the token struct. I could have just said that. Yeah, it returns the token struct. Oh, I need collect. If I use collect, it'll give me an error. There you go. Okay. Cannot infer type for parameter B and associated functions. I can use like a turbo fish. So I guess if I need to use a turbo fish, it will go, wait, no, backwards. Turbo fish is either on collect or on map. It's either one. Alright, I guess it's on map. How does the turbo fish syntax go again? Wait, no, I actually forgot how to use the turbo fish. Converting a string to a what exactly? Okay. I gotta figure out how do I do a turbo fish thing again? Oh, okay. You mean like here? I mean after the map let collect into vec token. I don't think it needs to. I think it can just return this. I think what it'll just return from the from the match statement here, but Alright, I guess we can find out now. I am on sandbox, right? Yeah. Okay. So enum fish. How do you spell macro? Cuttlefish, sure. And then sardines. Okay. So we'll make a function that goes fn get fish name string that will return a fish and match name salmon fish salmon cuttlefish fish a soba. There's a fish called a soba pang. Okay. Now it needs to hold string. Probably shouldn't have done that earlier. Okay, there we go. Now it will match name salmon string salmon dot two string. Close that one up. There's a fish called a soba pang? Oh, okay, I thought there was a fish. Cuttlefish dot two string. And then sardine dot. I almost wrote two fish. No, that would be kind of funny now, wouldn't it? Okay. So match name. If it's this, then it will return fish. Dot two fish. Hello, Marsha. How are you doing? Did I write that right? Yeah, I just need to do a two string. You don't know? You think you're alright? Well, as long as you think you're alright, you must be alright. You know, placebo and all. And I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Okay, so What I'm trying to do now is to figure out if the implicit returns will just return this, or it will return like something different entirely. I think it will. A fish tokenizer. Yeah. So here I should do impl fish, right? Fn two fish, right? And it's gonna take a string, and it's gonna return self, and then I'm just gonna copy all of this in here and just paste it in. No, not like that. Like that. Okay, there we go. I spelled self wrong. And this needs to be S. Okay. Okay, so I can just do a quick two fish here, right? So let fish equals fish dot two fish salmon, right? Fish dot zero print line. Okay. Fish dot zero. I thought I could. Fish is an enum. And fish returns salmon dot fish. Oh man, do I really have to match on this? This seems way harder than it needs to be. Oh wait, I got it. Hold on, instead of doing this, I can just put in fish and do that. Okay, there we go. Rust confusers me. Well, it was pretty confusing at the time too for me. I mean, it still is. I won't pretend. But, you know, yeah, it's still pretty damn confusing. So if I derive something called... No, not derive. Derive debug, I should be able to do it now. There we go. Okay. Yes, now I get salmon. Cuttlefish. Okay, cuttlefish. Alright. Alright, so that proves it. What was I in? JAST? Yeah. Well, Rust confused me too at the time. Cuttlefish. I want the cuttlefish. Remember the cute little octo. Like this is like cute little octo. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, this thing. Hold on, how do I open it in a new tab? Why can't I find it? Oh, there it is. No, not you. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. This thing. The Ras mascot? Oh, well, it's just a crab. Just... I mean, wouldn't that just give you the R? Ah, there you go. Here you go. The crab. Yeah, the crab. Dumbo octopi. Wait, that's what it's called. Octopi. It is called a Dumbo octopus. Well, it is pretty cute. I mean, look at this. Yeah, this reminds me of a time when I was I was like scrolling through like a gaming Discord, like one of the why can't I find my words today? It's called Cursed Hall of Fame. Wait, I can just show you. Hold on. There we go. It did cells, and then it's called Cursed Hall of Fame. Ah, there we go. Okay. So here, yeah. Okay, take a look at this. Okay, see? I beg your pardon, it's conjunctivitis, right? Thanks, dumbass. Alright. Wait, what the fuck? Didn't I say the exact same thing? I'm confused. Don't insult people, so am I. No, I'm not insulting. I don't know what his name is. What are you talking about? Oh wait, he is called dumbass. His nick is dumbass, exactly. Oh, it just opened up here. What's a Fumo Discord? I have no idea what a Fumo Discord is. I mean, like, Hades? I haven't touched those games in a long time. I haven't played a game in a while. Fumos are like little plushies that look like one thingy. I'm just gonna turn on the background to cover up the search just in case it's not friendly. Okay, what's it called? A Circneo Fumo. Okay, yeah, they're not NSFW. Okay, I don't need to cover up anymore. Okay, there we go. You mean this stuff? Toho Project. Isn't this like whatchamacallit? Like the sword guy's girlfriend? You were in yeah, it's another game. One Step for Eden. Yeah, ignore that. I have no idea what that was, but I don't wanna know. Yeah, this One Step for Eden. It's a roguelike. All my games are roguelikes. Which one? You mean this one? This one? Oh wait. This one? Is Fumo a plushie? It is a roguelike. It's a tile-based roguelike, so it's like Mega Man Link battles in like tiles. Marsha Socks. You sure know a bunch of emotes, huh? I don't even know half of these. It's a mop lol. What's this, a sad? Oh, mop sweat. What? No, there's nothing to be... There's nothing to be sorry about. I'm just surprised. Okay, so... After I pump in the display, right? I want to check if any of this works out correct. So I need to pump it in the display, and I need to call Lexer next token. Wait, what do I need to do? I watched someone play One Step for me and it looks too fast. Oh, it is fast. You should see one of its bosses. Okay, so... No, actually, let's keep that. Okay, so... There's a struct called token that takes in new, and then there's a Lexer that takes in next token. So I will do Lexer. Okay, so I will create a Lexer. What is it called? Lexer that will take an input. That, you know what? Display. No, I'm gonna call you input. Input because I want to save time. Okay. Okay, there you go. So this is a Lexer. And I'll just call this Lexer because why not? So Lexer dot next token. Yeah, next token will return a token. So let token equals. Oh wait, no, I can't have a map in here. I need to take in an input. This is all gonna go. Token hashtag derive debug, and just put that in there, and print line token. So if I run this, it will go very bad. Hashtag derive debug. There we go. It's a rogue. Wait, it's a roguelike. People try like for all sorts of games like FPS or third-person shooters or just anything. Nah, I don't think that's true. I mean, it is really a roguelike. A roguelike is very punishing. It's what I get. Well, One Step of Eden is like more random, and its soundtrack is amazing. Let me pull one up. Do I have? Yes, I do. Aw, man. Alright, let me turn off the music on the other side first. Okay, I'm gonna... Is this too loud? Alright, if it's not too loud, I'll be fine. So this song is called Never Ending Song which is ironic because I'm gonna end it now. um, but it's actually a really good song though. It's nice. No. It's nice. It's fast. It's fast paced too, and I really like it. So I'll just leave it on the background until it's finished. Maybe I should go lower. Okay. Okay. So, I'm looking for some feedback. So, how's the stream actually? Am I engaging enough? I mean, it's kind of... Well, I mean, there's only 2 people in the stream, so it's kind of hard not to be, but still. Is there only 2 people in the stream? I have no idea who these people are. Okay. Until the never-ending song is finished, huh? Yeah, that's ironic, isn't it? No, it's not a survey. I'm just trying to know how I've been doing. I mean, I've been doing this for like a week, and I have no idea how good or bad I'm doing because I have no context on like what's good or what's bad. So what this will happen is that I think I can guess what's gonna happen. Okay, so if I go cargo R, and depending on what I type, iterators are lazy and do nothing unless consumed. Wow, might as well change my name to iterator, isn't it? Okay. So, if I do 1 plus 2 times 3, it will just hook up at plus. It won't go through anything else. Alright, I have no idea why that happened. Oh, right, no spaces. Okay, 1 plus 2 minus times 3. Yeah, it'll just... What? Oh, right. Okay, so this input here, print line input. Okay, let input equals, this is mutable. Let input equal input dot trim. Okay, now it should work. Conversion method. No, if I use toString, then I'll have to type it again. toString. toString. There we go. Now it should work. 1 plus 2 times 3. Why does it give me EOF? Does it not detect the plus? So, Marcia socks. So, do you do any Rust programming, Marcia? In the end, you just return blah EOF. Oh yeah, right. Alright, if that's the case. Let token equals all that. No, right. Yeah, I got that. Iter map closure. Alright, how do I get it out of it then? Alright, let's see. Map F, and F is the closure. For each. Okay, how am I supposed to do this then? Well, you only want one vector token? Well, no. No, it's not even supposed to go like this. It's kind of... yeah, this is not even supposed to happen right now. Yeah, I think it would be better if I just started to refactor it, huh? Oh, I should do it outside. Yeah, I should definitely do it outside. Okay, it's refactor time then. So this will create a lexer of input which will accept a string, and I need to do for lexer dot input dot chars dot map. Alright, close that down, put this in here. So this will be all the chars that but I will no, not like this. Okay, there we go. So this will be all the chars, and all of these characters I have to put it inside of lexer.next token. Then I gotta put in a char. But here I should do ch char, completely remove this entire thing, and just put this in here. No, why do I keep doing that? No, not like this either. And remove that part. This part will be there, so it will remain. So this removes a token. This match should ideally return a token. There, token. There we go. Now that's a token. Now it takes in self, so I'm gonna pass in ch. It also needs to do self in there because I guess that's how it works. Lexer has type lexer that does not implement. I'm going to a little bit of trouble. Yes, it's not just a little bit, it's a lot of trouble. Okay, put in a you know what, I shouldn't use map. Okay, so for wait, no, what am I doing? Okay, lexer.input, right? So for character in lexer.input.chars, and here I should put a reference, right? Alright. Now if I put lexer.next token and I pass in character like that. Now what to do? I need to turn on the song again. There we go. Alright, I should leave my brain off and just let it figure out for a moment. In the meantime, we'll take a 5-minute break. Yes, the never-ending song has indeed ended. Yeah, the 5-minute break will do me wonders. I should probably check a few messages just in case. Alright. So, yes, Never Ending Song has in fact ended. And what are you doing, by the way, Kirino? You are lurking, but you know, are you lurking with a purpose? Alright, so I probably shouldn't be thinking about code stuff like right now anyways. It is break time. I should think about what I want to do after the stream. I guess that could work out because what is this? Okay. Yeah, I can definitely do that. Oh yeah, by the way, if I'm gonna plug this a few more times, but if you guys want to know about like when I stream, because my schedule is very sporadic and I kind of just decide if I want to stream or not based on a whim and how I'm feeling, you should join my Discord. Checking out site for the web development. I see. That's interesting. So why web development then? Why do you wanna, you know, work on web dev, or you know, have an interest in it? Right, but yeah, as I was saying, yeah, just join my Discord. You can find it right here. If I go back to Twitch. Oh wait, no, there's a faster way. Yeah, if I go to my channel, there's a card down here. just click this one and you'll be brought to my Discord. The reason it looks so bad is because I hand drawn it with my mouse, so it's not hand drawn but it is drawn. Alright, I'm gonna go to that. It seems a simpler way to find a job. I see. I don't know what the demand for jobs is. During orientation in my university, they showed like a jobs that are in highest of demand as of 20. I don't know what the year is, but they said that data analyst or data scientist is at the top. It's like the most wanted role or something that you can monetize. I see. Yeah, well, web development you can definitely monetize. You just, I don't know, but like a Fiverr thing, I guess. I don't know how you advertise stuff. You just say, oh, I can make a website for you if you want, and this is my price. Like, I don't know, $1 million for a web page. I need to go to the toilet real quick. Be right back. Oh. Oh man, I'm out of water. Hold up, I'll be back again. Okay, now I'm back. Unexpected parentheses. Huh. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, it's at least a product. Well, I have no clue what I can program in. For example, Rust developer products. So a bit behind. You're a bit behind on what exactly? I don't follow. So I put input in here. Right? And this takes in a character. Tokenize, I guess. Oh wait, no, what am I doing? Okay, so this should be a vec of token, just like you said earlier. Oh man. Yeah, this definitely should have been a vec. Okay, so let tokens equals an empty vector. Specifically a vec token. Yeah, I should have just done what you told me to and just, you know, did this. So this will mute, and then tokens, hold on. Control V, tokens dot push like that. There we go. Oh, stream latency. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna loop through the thing. I'm gonna return tokens. How behind are you? I mean, like, is anything wrong with my stream? No, there are no drop frames. Everything seems fine. What does this? Yeah, it's excellent. There's nothing going on with it. Okay. So here, instead of character, I should just return to self. And then input dot chars dot map character. Put that there. Put that there, that there, that there. And whoops. And just do that. And yes, this seems to work out just fine. Every time it encounters something, we'll push it in. If it's just an EOF, then I should probably just panic and end it there. Okay, yeah, that's good. I watch Lizardi. Oh, hello. I am hold on, let me close my door first. Okay. I am from Malaysia. And welcome to the stream, Lizardi. Lizardi. That's I always wonder if that's how I usually speak when I'm off camera, because I don't, try and keep up appearances for my voice anyways. I watch with either browser add-on or directly with MVP. Twitch proper barely functional on my PC both of the time. Why do you watch Twitch with a browser add-on? Alright. So welcome to the stream, Lizardi. I'm not sure if I said that yet or not. And happy Sunday. Oh, potato PC. Oh, not unless you play games on it. Lexer.tokenize. Okay, Lexer.tokenize. Let tokens equal. It implements the debug flag. So for token in tokens, print line. No, not like this. Okay, like that. Debug token. GU word. No. GU. No. GU word. There you go. Token. Put that in. Smack that in. Hope you're having a good Malaysian evening. I am having a good Malaysian evening. It's actually gonna rain soon. Hold on, let me check if there's any clouds outside. Hold on. Okay, there are no clothes outside, so I don't have to rush for them when it rains later. I think it's just called alternate player for Twitch for Firefox. I see. But why though? Have a good lizard morning. I see what you did there. Okay, where am I? Cargo run. 1 + 2 × 3. It literally did nothing. That's concerning. Print line. Fitting input into Lexer. Print ln. Tokenizing. There we go. Cargo R. 1 + 2 × 3. Why is there 0 output? That means none of these were hit. Not even this. Is calculator spelled with a K because it's your specific brand? Oh, no, that's not it. It's kind of like a joke because this YouTuber called DistroTube, like he's a guy famous for like giving you tips on Linux stuff, and there's a what is it, KDE Plasma, yeah, and KDE Plasma comes with a terminal like PowerShell, yeah, like PowerShell or CMD, but KDE Plasma's console or terminal is just called console but with a K, and I'm just doing the same thing with a calculator but with a K as a joke. You can watch your stream while on Twitch. No. Wait, you can't watch my stream on Twitch? That's just weird. It literally struggles with 720p 60 FPS on Twitch site. I see. Yep. Although it's like kind of concerning though that none of these were hit. Okay, what's CH? Yeah, CH is a char. Okay, I'm gonna do another match on a space. It will do literally nothing. I am so glad that didn't break. Okay, I was so scared it was gonna crash. I got this thing, so I can at least bump up like that without it going straight to the top of the input block. Okay. So it's fitting the input into the Lexer, and then here it's tokenizing. Okay. Println tokens.len. There we go, that should do it. Oh, alright, no problem. If I can find out where it is. Where is my music coming from? Where? Where's my music coming from? It must be behind here. Okay. There we go. Well, that would be better, right? Man, it is 0. Put that in there and paste it in, then input. Problem solved, and I can just get rid of everything here. Let input equals 1 plus 2 times tree to string, and let's break out each step. Oh, no problem. Can you run Clippy just in case? I don't even know how to run Clippy. Well, I mean, we'll just check it out. Well, there are no obvious errors. It's not working as intended, but how to run Clippy in Rust? Clippy. I guess I just go do that. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, no, I'm too far. And I called... Where did I call it? I can't even tell. Oh, there it is. Okay. Wasn't there an unused map? Well, not anymore. Because I'm not using a map. Oh wait, yes it is. Okay, okay, let me go. Let me fix the errors here first. Well, it's not an error. And this will definitely shorten everything else. Alright, there we go. Okay, there we go. This is a lot better. Unused map. I have no idea how I'm having an unused map. Alright. First off, what type is this? Okay, this is a vec token. How is it an unused map though? What can I do with map? Rust map. Okay, get rid of this, this, and this. Iter map. Can we just read everything first? An iterator that maps a value iter with f. This struct is created by the map method on iterator. See its documentation for more. Meaning that you can also map backwards into iter, map reverse collect. Okay. But if your closure has state, iterating backward may act in a way you do not expect. Let's go through an example first in the forward direction. ABC, that makes sense. So I have to use the map, but what can I do with a map? A map returns... Oh, filter map. Yeah, this is the, where is it? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this is the unused map here. Whatever this returns. Is that why nothing happens? Okay, yeah, I think that might be why. Hello? Okay, map. Iterator map. Okay. So now I need to perform some operation on it, right? Do I have to do this? No. Lazy and do nothing unless consumed. Let's run it anyways. Okay, there's 0. Did I even fit it into my Lexer? Yes, it is. Print line fitting input into Lexer. Let's take a look what functions I have. Max, min, sum, last copied, enumerate, rev, filter. So this returns an... Wait, hold on. I need to figure out what that type is. Okay, so this returns a vec token, but what are you? I can find out. X maybe? You are an iterator with map chars and then an unused closure. Unused map warning. No, not this. Okay, unused map warning rest. Man, I need to... How long have I been streaming for anyways? It has been an hour 44. Ooh. Okay. Huh. I've been streaming for like an hour and 44 minutes. Huh? Do I want to keep going? I need to exercise later, and I think I need to rest my eyes first and just cool my body down from like computer heat. Wait, how far did I get into this before I started to wander off and do my own thing? Okay, I'm still doing this, so it should be alright. Okay. So next I need to fill in my to-dos. So okay. Okay, yeah, so I think I'll end the stream here. I need to rest my eyes and my body and stuff. So, to oops. Yeah, so thank you for everyone who made it here. Thanks for everyone who has been viewing. Thank you. Yeah, this is like the most viewers I've gotten. So thanks for everyone for tuning in. Thanks for everyone for chatting with me, and even if you're lurking, I really thank. It's just nice, you know. So yeah, so thanks for the stream. Take care and see you soon. Bye, guys.